Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you 6 bun hairstyles. These should hopefully all be really easy for you to recreate. I've seen all of these styles everywhere at the moment, so I really hope you enjoy it, and let's start. So for style 1, I'm starting by backcombing my hair by gently pushing my comb down against the root. You don't have to backcomb if you don't want to, I just find it helps add some volume to the hairstyle, and also if you don't do it very often it won't damage your hair. I'm also just backcombing the hair at the front of my face too, because I'm going to be including it all in the bun. So now I'm just running my fingers through it to smooth it down a bit, and I'm just gathering all of the hair into a high ponytail position. So now I'm taking my hair elastic and pulling it through halfway, and then gathering the leftover up and wrapping the elastic around it to form a bun shape. Before I wrap the elastic around a third time, I'm just pulling out the ends of my hair to make it look a little bit more messy, and then I'm twisting the elastic and forming the bun. Next, you just want to pull at it to loosen it and make it bigger, and then I'm just using some hair grips to grip it into the position I want it to be in. Finally, I'm just pulling out some strands from the bun to make it look a little bit messier, as well as some strands around the front of my face, and then that's it. So for style 2, again the process is very similar to before. So again I'm adding some volume before I get started by backcombing the crown of my head, and then I'm just smoothing it all over with my comb. So next I'm gathering all of the hair up into a high ponytail position, and I'm just creating the bun the same way by pulling the hair through the elastic once, then twisting the rest of the hair up into the bun shape, and then twisting the elastic and wrapping it around again. Now I'm opening the bun up slightly, and I'm starting to pull at the hair outside of the bun to make it looser. So you just want to keep pulling at it, and you should find it drops the bun down and makes the rest of your hair look a lot less tight and neat. Then I'm just pulling at the top of my hair to create a little bouffant shape, and I'm just adding some grips to hold it all in place. And then finally I'm just pulling out some hair again to make it look a little bit more messy around the front of my face, and then that's the second look. I love this bun especially, I think it's probably my favourite out of all of them. I just think it's a great mix between sophisticated and also kind of a messy, I didn't make much effort look. So for style number 3, again, I'm starting by backcombing my crown, you guys know the deal, and then I'm just gathering all of my hair back into a ponytail about the same level as my ears. So next I'm splitting the hair into 3 sections and braiding it. So I'm placing the right section under the middle one, followed by the left section under the middle one, and then you just repeat that all the way down until you reach the end. Next, I'm just tying that off with another hair elastic, and then I'm opening the braid up with my fingers. Make sure you open the end of the braid, especially as we want it to be as close to the same width as the other part of the braid as we can. So now I'm forming a bun shape with the braid by twisting it around itself, and then I'm just taking some hair grips and gripping it all into place. Again, pulling some strands out near the front of my face, and then that's it. Style number 4 I've shown so many times, but I just had to include it as it's such a popular look. So again, I've added some volume by backcombing the top of my head. I must have said this so many times now, but you guys know. And then I'm just gathering the hair up into a high ponytail position. You want to pick up the hair just above your ears for this look and leave the rest of it down. I'm forming a bun the same way as before, so pulling the hair through the elastic halfway, gathering the rest up into the bun shape, twisting the elastic, then forming it around the bun again. I'm just pulling at the hair to loosen it just so it's not so tight on my head, and again I'm opening the bun up and gripping it into the position I want, pulling out some strands of hair around the front of my face, and then that's the fourth look. On to hairstyle number 5, I'm creating a middle parting by measuring my comb up from my nose, and then this time I'm just adding some volume towards the back of my head. Next, I'm gathering all of my hair to one side near the nape of my neck, pulling the hair through the elastic halfway, twisting the hair up, then twisting the elastic and wrapping it around the bun. Again, I'm opening the bun up with my fingers and just pulling at the leftover hair to loosen it so it's not so tight. You could also add some grips to keep it into position again, and then that's it. I actually think this is the easiest style to create out of all of them, and I just love the final result. And finally, for style 6, I'm starting again by creating a middle parting by measuring up from my nose, but this time you want to take the middle parting right back to the nape of your neck. Next, I'm sectioning one side off so it doesn't get mixed into the other bun, and I'm adding some volume to the opposite side with my comb, and then I'm gathering it up into a high pony. Again, I'm creating the bun the same way as before, and then I'm just pulling at it and the hair to loosen it. Once one side is done, I'm just repeating the exact same process on the opposite side of my head. Try and make sure that both buns are at the same level, just so one isn't further back than the other or anything like that, and then that's the final look. And that is it, guys. I really hope you liked this video and that it helped you. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if it did. Let me know which is your favorite down below. And yeah, have an amazing day, and I'll speak to you all again very, very soon. Bye.